What's up, guys? My name is Mike Cabrera, and today we're going to be making rainbow shots. So you're going to grab 1 ounce of grenadine, some fresh ice, then you want to layer OJ over that grenadine, about 4 ounces. And you also want to do about 4 ounces of vodka. You want to grab your strainer, put it over your glass, and then top it off with blue curaçao. It's going to be 1 ounce of blue curaçao, and pour immediately over the glasses. Strainer drop. Oh, God, fail.
Okay, so we're gonna make some rainbow mother shots. Here we go. First, grenadine.
Okay, ready? Go. That's too much. Just kidding. All of it. Now OJ.
Layers. I'm supposed to go on the side of it too.
Oh my God, I don't think he's gonna do it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh my God, lefty?
I did that.